In front of me is OnePlus 10T, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this OnePlus smartphone. First of all, you need to access device's calendar and tap on the month above. Now swipe left or right and pick a date. When you're ready, you can create your event by tapping over here twice, or selecting this plus icon at the bottom right corner and choosing event from the list. Now adjust it however you want to. For example, you can add a title over here. Then click on starting hour, select OK in order to change it, and ending one. If you don't want to do that, you can always disable this option as well by choosing this switcher next to all day. Now tap on Does Not Repeat and select one of those options if you want your event to repeat, for example, every year. If you don't, just tap on Does Not Repeat. Now you can add people, videos, set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before your event, and even take notes. Over here, you can click on default color and pick the best one for your event to stand out. I will go with blueberry. Add attachments and even choose add location here. In order to use this feature, select while using the app or only this time, then type on an address of your happening and tap on the correct one. In order to save your event, just tap on Save at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. In order to make some changes, just tap on it and select Edit option by tapping on this pen icon at the top right corner. Now you can make your changes and discard them by choosing top left corner and clicking on Discard, or save them by selecting top right one. If you want to get rid of your event completely though, you need to click on it again, but this time select those three dots at the top right corner next to the pen. Then tap on Delete at the top and confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!